Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you all another very useful tip. I'll be showing you how you can change the storage location of your recorded calls. Okay, so it's real simple to do, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply open up the dialer and then select the 3 pins in the top right hand corner. Select settings, and at the top you will see record calls. Go ahead and select the option, and then here you will see storage location. So by default it's set to save all your recorded calls on the internal storage. However, if you have a micro SD card inserted into the phone, just simply select the option and change it from internal storage to SD card. It's that simple. So now all your recorded calls will be saved to your micro SD card, just leaving a lot more space on your internal storage. So that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.